I'm going to teach you a scale that completely changed my life. It's called the extended minor pentatonic. Now, something for you to understand about the pentatonic is that they are 5 notes. Penta, 5 tonic tones, so 5 tones, okay? We're going to play the A minor extended pentatonic scale, or the extended A minor pentatonic scale, however you say it. Now, for this, you're going to start it off on the 3rd fret of the E string. So, and then you're going to go to the 5th fret of the E string. Then you're going to go to the 3rd fret of the A string, and then you're going to go to the 5th fret of the A string, and then you're going to slide that up to the 7th fret of the A string. So far the pattern is a 5-note pattern. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? You're going to start the same pattern from the 5th fret of the G string. So G, 5, 7, 5 of the G string, 7 of the G string, and then slide it up to the 9 of the G string. Then you're going to start the next pattern from the 8th fret of the B string. So 8, 10, and then 8 of the E string, and then 10, and then slide. That's it. So as you can see, this scale allows you to cover a lot of ground. So from the 3rd fret of the E string to the 12th fret of the high E string over there. So if I were to play it once for you from the beginning, it's like this. Remember to end it on the 5th fret of the E string because that is your root note. So you can take this, practice it, and this is a scale that's been used by Jimi Hendrix, Stevie Ray Vaughan, Jimmy Page, literally making some of the greatest blues solos ever in existence. When I learned this scale, it unlocked something in my brain that just completely changed the way I played. So I wanted to share this with you. I hope this helps, and leave me a comment if you enjoyed this. I'll see you in the next one.